my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is January 16th of 2020. This is Microbiology, Laboratory Preparation, Part 1 of my video demonstration. In this video, I'm going to be finding an incubation spot for my culture growth, and I'm going to be going around my house and looking for the perfect place for an incubation site. Okay, so I am in my bathroom right now. This is the first spot for incubation that I have considered. So right here below my sink is a cupboard that I considered for incubation. When considering this, I chose it because it's a dark location, such as a cupboard or a small space. The airflow is, it's dry. One thing I did have to consider was the sink is right above it. So in case a pipe leaks or something happens, that might not be a good idea for incubation. And the temperature was below 20 degrees Celsius. It was 18 degrees Celsius. And I think the pipes under the sink might have to do with the temperature. So either cold water, the temperature might be low, or hot water, the temperature might be higher than I want it to be. Okay, so now I'm in the second place that I considered for incubation. I'm in my kitchen. I considered this cupboard right here for incubation. It is next to the stove and it is next to a window. Therefore, it would not be reasonable to make that my incubation spot. The temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, so it was lower than 20 degrees Celsius, which is not going to be okay. The temperature when using the stove or the stove top or the oven might affect the temperature of the incubation spot. Therefore, it might not be the best place for this. Doesn't really have exposure to lighting, but the window is right next to it and the outside might affect the temperature. Okay, so I am at my third location for an incubation spot that I have considered. Here in my hallway I have cabinets. So there's 4 cabinets right here that might be great for incubation. I did put my thermometer in there and it is just at 20 degrees Celsius, so it's a little lower than I wanted it to be. But I did consider this because it's a great location. It's a cabinet. There's not bright lights, vents, nothing. But it is in my hallway, so anyone can access this cupboard. So I don't believe that it's going to be a great spot for my incubation spot, just in case other people have access to it. So I don't want anything being spilled. Okay, and now I am in the 4th incubation spot that I have considered. This is going to be my last incubation spot. This is in my bedroom. So right here I have 2 cabinets in my bedroom. The first cabinet is right here. This cabinet has some sheets and blankets and extra pillows in it. But this cabinet bottom shelf is empty. I put a thermometer in there to check the temperature of it, and it is 21 degrees Celsius, and therefore that's going to be good for my incubation spot because it is between 21 and 25 degrees Celsius, and it is above 20 degrees Celsius. It's in a dark location. It's a cabinet. There's no windows nearby or anything. The airflow is great because it's in a cabinet, and no one accesses that cabinet except for me. I don't have any pets. I don't have any small children, so that's not going to affect the incubation spot. So I have chosen this location for my incubation spot.